Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some essential things you need to know about your car. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just starting out, understanding your vehicle can make a huge difference in your driving experience and maintenance. So, buckle up and let's get started. First up, let's talk about the basics of vehicle maintenance. Regular maintenance is crucial for keeping your car running smoothly. This includes checking your oil levels, tire pressure, and coolant levels. Did you know that neglecting these simple tasks can lead to costly repairs down the line? Make it a habit to check these things at least once a month. A well-maintained car not only lasts longer but also performs better. Now let's discuss your car's manual. This little booklet is your best friend when it comes to understanding your vehicle. It contains valuable information about your car's features, maintenance schedule, and troubleshooting tips. If you've misplaced it, most manufacturers have online versions available. Familiarize yourself with your manual. It can save you a lot of headaches. Speaking of features, do you know what all those buttons on your dashboard do? From the headlights to the windshield wipers, understanding your car's controls can enhance your driving experience. Take some time to explore them, especially features like cruise control, traction control, and even the infotainment system. Knowing how to use these can make your drives much more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about tires. They're your car's only contact with the road, so it's essential to know how to care for them. Make sure to check the tread depth regularly. A simple way to do this is by using the penny test. Insert a penny into the tread. If you can see Lincoln's head, it's time for new tires. Also, remember to rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles to ensure even wear. Next up is fuel efficiency. Did you know that your driving habits can significantly affect your fuel consumption? Aggressive driving, such as rapid acceleration and hard braking, can decrease your mileage. Try to drive smoothly and maintain a steady speed. Additionally, keeping your tires properly inflated can improve your fuel efficiency. A little extra care can go a long way in saving you money at the pump. Now, let's shift gears and talk about safety features. Modern cars come equipped with various safety technologies like anti-lock braking systems, ABS, electronic stability control, ESC, and advanced airbag systems. Familiarize yourself with these features and understand how they work. They're designed to keep you safe, and knowing how to use them effectively can potentially save your life. Have you ever heard of the 3-second rule? It's a simple guideline for maintaining a safe following distance. When the car in front of you passes a fixed object, count to 3 before you pass the same object. This gives you enough time to react in case of sudden stops. Remember, safety should always be your top priority while driving. Now, let's dive into the importance of your car's battery. A dead battery can leave you stranded, so it's crucial to know how to check its health. Look for corrosion on the terminals and ensure that the connections are tight. If your battery is more than 3 years old, consider having it tested at your local auto shop. And don't forget, if you're in a pinch, jumper cables can be a lifesaver. Another vital aspect to consider is your car's fluids. From engine oil to brake fluid, each fluid plays a critical role in your vehicle's performance. Regularly check these levels and top them off as needed. If you notice any leaks, don't ignore them. Addressing fluid leaks promptly can prevent more significant issues down the road. Let's not overlook the importance of cleaning your car. Regular washing and waxing protect your paint and finish from the elements. Additionally, don't forget to clean the interior. A clutter-free space not only looks good, but also makes for a more enjoyable driving experience. Plus, who doesn't love that new car smell? Now, let's touch on the topic of insurance. Understanding your car insurance policy is key to being a responsible car owner. Make sure you know what coverage you have, including liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. Regularly review your policy to ensure it meets your needs and consider shopping around for better rates. It's always good to be prepared. Speaking of preparation, have you ever thought about what to include in your emergency kit? A well-stocked kit can be a lifesaver in case of unexpected situations. Essentials include a first aid kit, flashlight, jumper cables, basic tools, and a tire inflator. It's also a good idea to keep some non-perishable snacks and water in your car, just in case you get stranded. Lastly, never underestimate the power of a good mechanic. Building a relationship with a trusted mechanic can make all the difference. They can provide valuable advice, perform routine maintenance, and help you with any repairs. Plus, having someone you trust can alleviate the stress of unexpected car troubles. So, there you have it. Some essential things to know about your car. Understanding your vehicle not only enhances your driving experience, but also keeps you safe on the road. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on car care and maintenance. Let us know in the comments what your favorite car maintenance tip is. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.